Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with Green Bar Trading. This is take 3 right now. The first 2 did not go so well. So let's see if we could get through this version. I'm outside right now. It is a beautiful morning. I'm going to go over with you how I traded this momentum stock this morning in pre-market. It was the top gapper. It was leading the entire US stock market. It had the most volume. It had a news catalyst. But at 7 a.m. Eastern time, that's when the volume starts to come in. That's when a lot of trading platforms, like the one I use, starts to be operational for millions of retail day traders. So at 7 a.m., I like to watch the price action and see how the top gappers open up. Do they rip up at 7? Do they just tank right below VWAP? This is all stuff that I watch. So I'll share the screen here with you in a second. So when I was watching this top gapper, I decided to get involved. Now, what I'm doing is, and you could probably see I have a pen behind my ear. I've been looking back at my notes. Now, I journal most of my trades, if not all of my trades. And, what I've noticed, and I have them just all written down here, and I was just going over them last night. And I do highly recommend you guys also start to journal your trades as well. You can see and sometimes get, snap back where you were having success. You can actually see where your success was. And this kind of was eye-opening to me, and it helped me out a lot and realize, what my real strength was before, I started to trade all these different things. And I don't know if you guys have ever had this happen to you before, but I started to trade way too many different things instead of focusing on one thing. So hang on one sec. I'm just going to move the chair here for a second. The sun is coming out, and it was about to blind me. Okay, so focusing on a strategy, focusing on an edge that you have done very well on is really important. So what I did was I went back, I looked at what I was doing really well, and I started to focus on quality trades instead of over trading. So the last few days, I've focused on really quality setups and taken bigger share size for bigger winners in a quick period of time. So instead of trading all day to get to a certain place, I'm looking to trade 1, 2, 3 times on bigger share size to get to where I was trading for an hour, 2 hours. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's what I did. And now that the momentum seems like it is back, I feel comfortable now trading with bigger share size. So that's where, just wanted to bring you guys up to speed. I'm going to be trading a lot less, but quality setups. And I'm going to be looking for those bigger winners in the shorter period of time. Scalping is my bread and butter. That's what I do really well. I get in at the right time and I get out really quick. This trade this morning was 52 seconds. Okay. Mental capital at just beautiful levels. The mental capital that you can expend getting chopped around all morning long is just not good. Take the quality setups. I know it sounds like obvious, like, yeah, of course. But it's crazy what you can veer off if you don't stay focused It's great that I had a journal here. I was able to read this, and I have so much data in it. It was just great to see. It shows me at a win percentage of just slightly over 80% on scalping those momentum stocks. So anyway, that's just, before I get into sharing my screen, hit the thumbs up for me. It helps the channel continue to grow. And I do appreciate every one of you for doing that. And if you are new to the channel, maybe you're watching this video for the first time, I have a free Discord that you could go in and join. It's a great group. There's a lot of, really, really intelligent people in there, having great ideas, and we could bounce these ideas off of each other. And, it's a lot easier trading with a group, with a chat room. It's just really beneficial. Obviously do your own due diligence. Don't just take what somebody says and then just believe it right away. Do your own work also. And then, come to the conclusion that you have found. But great ideas. It's a great group. Highly recommend getting in there. So here we go. I'm going to share the screen. Okay, sharing the trade. So this is my, let me just close this up. This is my pre-market scanner, okay? This scans for the top gappers in the morning, which look extremely, extremely weak this morning. Now, Fridays can tend to be like this. In my experience, Fridays are not the best day for day trading, especially in these summer months. But that being said, I saw something that I really liked, and I'm gonna really get into the technicals on this trade. Let me just open this up for you guys. So ANPC was the leading gapper, okay? The leading gapper in the entire market. It has a lot of volume. It had a very nice push up here in the morning at 6:30 on news, a great catalyst. So I at least knew that if we got over VWAP, right? And at 7 a.m., this is what I was talking about. At 7 a.m., well, we hit VWAP and we explode off of it. This gets me interested, and this gets a lot of other day traders interested. Now, my scalping strategy, I'm trying to get anywhere from 6 cents to 10 cents. That's it. My scalping strategy, once again, guys, 6 to 10 cents out of the market. That is all I'm looking to get. Now, you can always increase your share size. Like I did here, I took 300 shares, slowly getting back to levels that I was comfortable with before, when momentum was really, really good. Now, you can see here that this stock did not hold up. And that's where scalping, I can't stress this enough, you will leave money on the table scalping, okay? 100% you will leave money on the table. But what triggers me the most is being up in a trade, holding it, and then having this happen to me, take away my win. Now I'm in the red. Now, I don't hold things, but some people will hold this and hope that it comes back to their entrance. And then it just turns into a dumpster fire. So I really, really like to scalp. Now I'll go into my, let me see if I could show you guys here. So this is my trade this morning. These are partial fills. I put in my order for 300 shares at 7:02 and 19 seconds and got a partial fill but I got filled totally because there's a lot of volume in the stock. So that was the 300 shares. I sold it 52 seconds later, not even a minute, for a $27 profit. Also partial fills on the way out, but it all cleared at the same time. So totally fine. My order was totally taken care of, no problem. 300 shares is absolutely nothing in day trading. Just so you guys know, that's really minimal. This thing is doing massive volume, so it really didn't matter. I knew I'd get filled. I would have gotten filled trading 1,000 shares. So this is where I got involved. And this is why you watch these videos, to learn where the entries are and where the exits are. Because when you're scalp trading, accuracy matters in these trades, because sometimes your losing trades are going to be bigger, but you're going to have far fewer of them. So we gapped up, like I said. Now all the eyes are on the stock. 7 a.m. We get a lot of volume pouring in, and this is where I'm just going to zoom in for you guys. Okay, right here. Let me just try to get my trade in here. Okay. The 300 shares were bought on this candle, the 702 candle. This right here, and I'm just going to do a little bit of my drawing. These two candles, okay, that are highlighted right now, these are very, very bullish candles. These are called bullish hammers, okay? Candlestick patterns are very important to learn. This is very bullish. When it closes at the top here and it looks like a hammer, these are bullish hammers. So anyway, getting involved in this one, I felt very good about where price action was about to go. Also, we come into here and draw. I'm big into technical analysis. We have a bit of a flag here that is also forming. And the break of it is when I took my profit. I didn't wait. I got in and got out so fast. And one of my favorite indicators, the 9 EMA. If you're over VWAP and you're coming back to the 9 EMA, this is always a very, very good place to get involved in a scalp trade. So when you're over the 9 on the 1 minute chart, you can use this as support. It's a very, very good, especially when price action is strong and you get pullbacks. The pullback to close to the 9 EMA is a very strong place that other day traders look to get bounces off of. So I had many confluences here. I was over VWAP. I had the 9 EMA. I had 2 bullish hammer candlesticks, a beautiful flag here pattern that was forming, and then took the break of it. That's the trade breakdown. A quality setup, 52 seconds, $27 in profit. I upped my share size to 300 shares. Bottom line, that's a nice scalp trade. It started my day out well. Now, I'm not going to be trading anymore today anyway because I have to go to my other business. But I did really want to get in here and show you everything that goes through a trade. It's not just buying and selling things and hoping that they go up. There's a lot of really quick research that has to go through your brain, and you can't hesitate. So you do that quick little research. You have the top gapper, the catalyst, the price, the float was great, right? You notice at 7 a.m., the volume spikes. You have those 2 candles forming. You have the flag forming for the break of it, bigger share size, quality setup. All of this stuff goes through my head before I trade. It is a lot, but since I've been doing this a long time, it's going to take everybody else a long time. If you're a beginner trader, all that I just said right now, that's the stuff you should be looking for and studying. So focus on those quality setups. Take them, scalp them quickly, and that's it. Minimize your risk and just take the profit off the table when you have it. So that's it from me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up for me. And I will see you guys back on the weekend outlook video coming up soon over the weekend. Everybody enjoy. Take care. I'll see you guys next time.